Consider the pictorial representation shown below for a process at the atomic molecular level. Which process does not involve a chemical change? A, B, or C? A chemical change involves the transformation of one or more substances into other substances. Let's examine case A. We start with a collection of identical molecules. Each molecule is represented in the picture by a pair of circles, one filled and one unfilled. Since the atoms that make up the molecule are not the same, what we have is a sample of a pure compound. What happens after the change occurred is shown on the right side of the arrow. We can see that the atoms have rearranged. Two of the molecules have broken up into atoms. We now have a mixture of three substances: the original compound plus two elements, this one and this one. Therefore, process A involves a chemical change. Let's examine process B. Here we start with a mixture of a pure compound and two elements, this one and this one. And what we end up with is the same thing, a mixture of the same compound and the same two elements, this one and this one. Therefore, process B does not involve a chemical change. The correct answer is B. The question is asking us for a process that does not involve a chemical change. Let's verify that process C does involve a chemical change. What we start with is a mixture of a compound and an element. Here's the compound and here's the element. And what we end up with is a mixture of another compound and two elements, this one and this one. Note that nothing really happened to the element being represented here by fill circles. The chemical change here involves the breakup of each triatomic molecule into a diatomic molecule and an atom.